Hello friends, this is Mamta Rupesh, your Vedic Maths coach from the VedicMaths.com. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about Vedic Maths for multiplication. Vedic Maths is a super fast way of making all mathematical calculations easy and it gives accurate results. It is a domain of mathematical tricks written by an Indian monk, late Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He has given us various tricks to solve any type of mathematical problem in hardly a few minutes. These formulas are in the form of sutras. Under each sutra, we can see the mathematical operations hidden. So, starting from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and along with algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, etc. When compared to our conventional method, the steps might be a little lengthier, but here the tricks can be found very easily and the solutions can be quickly given. That's the reason why most of the students are falling for the Vedic Maths method. Mostly under arithmetic, multiplication topics are more under Vedic Math Sutras. You can check our roadmap and I have explained all the multiplication topics under the Multiplication Mastery course in detail. And multiplication is nothing but when compared to two numbers which are multiplied. So one will be the multiplier and the other is the multiplicand. And students generally learn multiplication by the conventional method. That is, we just have multiplicand and multiplier and need to multiply given numbers and write the final answer. But under Vedic method, for every type or each and every step or a number or a question, we have a method to calculate. So friends, excited to know what are they? Yes, don't worry. I will explain each topic in detail. So in the multiplication mastery course, we have interesting tricks which make multiplication very easy and most of the students might have faced difficulty in solving bigger numbers, right? So here we have tricks to solve multiplication for nearly 5 into 5 digits too. So now let's see what are the topics under multiplication. So we have a set of topics and all these topics are explained with examples. And you can check the same podcast as a blog. So go to the blog section under Vedic Maths website. So there under the blog section you can see the topics with examples and I have also given screenshots so you can understand them better. Okay, for more understanding you can check out our courses too. And here just listen and understand. So the first topic is multiplication with nines. The second is magic with 11. Third is multiplication by 12, 13, 14 goes up to 19 and multiplication of numbers near base. Multiplication by 5, 25, 50, 250 etc. Vertically crosswise method and you have times tables, so you have tricks for learning tables too, and we'll have algebraic multiplication. So that's the last. So we have 8 topics covering here. So let's see the first one. Multiplication with nines. So 9, 99, 999. To multiply given numbers with nines, we have an interesting formula. We have a two-step formula. The first step is by 1 less than the one before. The next step is all from 9 and last from 10. So here we have an example. 46 into 99. So 46 is a 2-digit number and 99 also has 2 digits. So for the LHS side, LHS is your left hand side. Subtract 1 from 46. So 46 minus 1 becomes 45. For your right hand side RHS, you have to write the complement of 46. What is the complement? 100 minus 46. So the difference will be your complement. So 54. And write both the answers together, LHS and write RHS. You get a total answer of 4554. 45 and 54. Okay. First step is minus 1 from 46. Second step is write the complement, minus from 100. You get your answer. 45 and 54. Write them together. 4554 is your answer. So yes friends, this is very simple. Okay. And the next topic, magic with 11. This method is also very interesting, same as multiplication by nines. Here also we just have a one-line formula. Just write the numbers on both the sides as it is and add both of them and you will write the difference. I mean, you will write the number in between the added amount. Okay. And then you get your final answer. This is very simple friends. So for example, if you have a number called as 62, so 62 into 11, write down 6 to your left hand side, take the 2 to your right hand side. So 6 and 2 are with both your hands, both the corners, yes. So in between what you have to do is add them both, 6 plus 2 which is 8. Write that 8 in between. So 6 and 8 and 2, this will be your answer, 682. 6 and 2 will be in the corners. In between them, write 8. Your final answer will be 682. Okay, 682. So this is how you calculate any number given for the multiplication with 11. Okay. See, for example, if you have 25 into 11, write down 2 to one side, 5 to the other side, add both 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Write that 7 in between. So your final answer will be 275. When you take your calculator or with the help of table, 25 into 11, if you calculate, you get 275. And with just one line formula, you get your answer in a straight way. Okay. So the next topic is multiplication by 12. 13, 14 goes up to 19. So here you need not memorize tables from 12. Okay. Why? Because it can be found mentally using the Vedic tricks, and just learn tables from 2 to 9. The rest can be solved very easily. So 2 to 9 is must. Okay. So 43 into 12. We have a dot sandwich method. So here we put dots both the sides. Okay. So 43. So write a dot before 4 and write a dot after 3. So starting from RHS dot, from the right hand side dot, taking 2 digits at a time, multiply the given number by 2 and add the previous numbers. So 2 into 3 plus 0. The dot is considered as 0. Okay. Where your answer will be 6. Next, considering next pair. Next pair will be 4 and 3. So 2 into 4 plus 3, which is 11. Write down 1 and 1 carry over. Next pair will be 4, dot and 4. So dot is nothing but 0. So 0 and 4. 2 into 0 plus this 4. Your answer will be 5. So your answer will be 4 and plus 1. The previous carry over 1. Your final answer will be 5. And what you have to do is write from your last step. Okay. So write down 5, 1 and 6. Okay. From your left hand side to the right hand side. So 43 into 12 will be 5, 1, 6. So this is your final answer. So friends, similarly we have tricks for 13, 14, 15 goes up to 19. You can check out our multiplication mastery course. Okay. And the next topic is multiplication of numbers near the base. This comes under Paravartya Yojayat Sutra. Here we have 3 cases under base method, which is when numbers are below base, above base and mixed base. You can check the 3rd chapter under beginner's guide under Paravartya Yojayat. We have the topics explained. And also under multiplication mastery, we have the above topics under chapter 6 in detail. The formula used here is all from 9 and last from 10. Okay, because each topic has different explanations. So once you get into the courses, you will understand it better than me explaining it now. Okay. So here is the 5th topic. Multiplication by 5. So 5, 25, 50, 250 goes on. So a unique advantage of Vedic maths is that many calculations can be done by mere observation only. Multiplying any number by 5. This is the first step. So 5, half of 10, right? 5 is half of 10. So 10 by 2, 10 divided by 2, you get 5. So first multiply the number by 10 and half it. So here you have an example, 24 into 5. So firstly multiply 24 into 5. 24 into 5. Will we do that? No. What we will do is 24 into 10. So firstly we will multiply with 10 and half it. Later on we will half that. Okay. 24 into 10, because whenever you are multiplying with 10, hundreds, thousands with the help of zeros, it's very easy, right? So 24 into 10 becomes 240. Divide by 2, half it. Half of 240 is 120. So 24 into 5 is 120. That's the final answer. Similarly, multiplying any number by 50. Since 50 is half of 100, is it half of 10? No. Half of 10 is 5. So 50 is half of 100. So when multiply the number by 50, add 2 zeros to its right and half it. So when you have a given number, for example, the number is 42. So write down 2 zeros after 42. So 4200 divided by 2, half it. Okay. So when you divide it by 2, you get your answer as 2100. So for 5 and 50 it is similar, whereas for 25 it is little different. Multiplying any number by 25. Since 25 is 4 times with 100. So 100 divided by 4. It's a quarter, right? Yes. So when multiplying the number by 4, add 2 zeros to its right and half it twice. We're not going to half it once. We are going to half it twice. So which is half means 2. 2 into 2. Okay. So for example, 64 into 25. So firstly write down 6, 4 and double 0 next to it, 2 zeros, okay? And half it twice. So divide by 2 into 2. Twice, right? 2 times we have to divide it. So 2 twos are 4. 6,400 divided by 4, which is 1,600. 1,600 is your answer. So similarly, we have formulas for 250, 500, etc. And you can check out the chapters for more details. And here we have the sixth topic. Excuse me. Vertically and crosswise multiplication. This is the general way of multiplying any two given numbers. The formula used is vertically and crosswise. This comes under Sutra Urdhva Tirabhyam. Here we have formulas for multiplication under 5 into 5 digits. So example, 47 into 28. We have 3 steps here. First step is vertical, next is crosswise. In center numbers, whatever is there, we will cross multiply. And again the last will be vertically, we will multiply. So right hand side and left hand side vertical, okay. So first step, multiply vertically in the right hand column. 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. Write down 6, 5 is carry over. Step 2, multiply crosswise and add the results for tens place. So 4 into 8 plus 7 into 2, which is 46. So 46 plus 5, the carry over, add that and you get your answer as 51. Okay. Next step 3, multiply vertically in the left hand column and add carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 5, which is 13. So 13 is your answer. And write the final answer. So write it from your left hand side, okay, from your third step, from your last. So 13, 1 and 6 will be your answer. Okay, 1316 is your final answer. So similarly, you have formulas. So for 2 into 2 digit, your formula is just 3 steps. So whereas when you go to 5 into 5 digits, you will have nearly 6 to 7 steps too, okay. So the formulas are lengthier there. And now let's go to the next topic, which is times tables up to 19. So up to 99 we have formulas, and here I'm just going to quickly explain up to 19. Firstly, we need to know tables from 2 to 9. Then it's easy to calculate tables up to 99, okay. Example 1, 3 into 6. So friends, do you all know 3 6R is 18? Yes, everyone know, because we know tables from 2 to 9. So we know 3 6R is 18. But do you guys know 13 6R? No. At least for a few seconds you will start thinking, or you'll immediately take your calculator. Don't do that. 3 6R is 18. 13 6R is. Just write 3 6R 18 to your left hand side, and right hand side write down 13 into 6. And to find out solution, what you have to do is, from 3 6R 18, take out that 6 and this 1. Add them both. 6 plus 1 is 7. Take 8 from 18 and write here as it is next to the 7. So 13 6R will be 78. This 7 and the last 8. Okay. Similarly, 4 8s are 32. 14 8s are, thinking right? Yeah. 14 8s are the same formula. Okay. Same step as I explained. From 8 and 3. Add 8 plus 3 is 11. Take 2 from 32. The 32 last digits are there, right, from the answer column. Take those and write it in this. Write it here next to the 11. Okay. So here the same number will come here. So 14 8s is 112. 112. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write down this 2 there. Your answer is 112. Similarly, I have another example. I'll quickly tell this and you'll have to write it down. Okay. 9 6R. What is 9 6R? 54. 19 6R. From the 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Quickly write. And take out this 4 and write next to it, and your answer is 114. Simple. How easy, right? Yes. Especially this will help for students writing competitive exams. You need not write the entire table in your rough sheet, or sit and keep repeating 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6 and all the tables. Again go to 12, 13, 14 and sit and multiply them. Scratch, again rewrite. All this is not required. Okay. You can just write down the first, that is from the 2 to 9 table, whichever the question is there, just write the previous. So for example, if it's a 13 table question, write down 3 tables number here and immediately write your 13 tables answer. Simple, one straight line. Okay. So to get the answer, you need to just add the factor of the corresponding table to the tens place digit of the corresponding product. The ones digit remains as it is, friends. So please check the multiplication mastery course for tables up to 99. Okay. Yes, interesting, right? Yeah. So here is the last topic under algebraic multiplication. This chapter explains us the algebraic expressions like binomials and trinomials in just one line as compared to conventional maths where we usually do it in 4 to 5 steps. But here it is in a very simple straight line. Okay. So the formula used is vertically and crosswise. This is same as multiplication by vertically and crosswise method the under the arithmetic. Okay, so there we had the seventh chapter. So there it was Urdhva Tirabhyam Sutra, and here the only difference is there we learn under arithmetic, and here it is algebraic expression. Simple. Okay, here we have equations, and where we're going to use the same vertically and crosswise formulas. So step 1, here we have an example, x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. Okay, we have to use the same vertical and crosswise formula, vertically into and again same vertically. Okay, so step 1, write one binomial number under the other as shown. So multiply vertically the digits in the right hand column. 2 into 4, 2 fours is 8. Step 2, multiply them crosswise and add the products. 4 into x plus 2 into 3x. Your answer will be 4x plus 6x is equals to 10x. Step 3, again vertically with your left hand column. X into 3x. Okay, x into 3x is equals to 3x square. Your final answer will be 3x square plus 10x plus 8. Understood? Hope you all understood, friends. Just write as as you're listening to this podcast, and later on you can check out the blog, and if you want to learn more in detail, you can get into our courses. Yeah. So I hope you all understood, and at least you would have had an interest to learn about these tricks in this podcast. And by now you would have had an idea of how Vedic maths is used under with multiplication. So similarly, we have few other courses which explains each topic in detail. So once you get into the courses, you will have a clear picture, and it has lifetime access along with the Vedic Maths community for clearing your doubts. So you can excel in maths and throw away all your maths phobia. So I hope you all enjoyed this podcast, and stay tuned. Good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.